Welcome everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'll stop just talking, just show you because why you're here to show you how to delete this cache in After Effects. So yeah, I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's jump right into this video. So what you're gonna have to do first is we're gonna have to go to After Effects here and then click on here in Services, and then here go to Media and Disk Cache, and then you're gonna have to click on Empty Disk Space and then click on OK. And basically now you empty your disk cache. This will improve performance and close the disk cache folder on a fast hard drive SSD, separate from your footage and allocate as much space as possible. You can also choose here a folder for media cache, choose a folder for cache and for database, and you can also clean database and cache. So I'm going to click on this and it cleaned it very fast. And that's basically what you have to do. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks.